Hi, welcome to Answers Q. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get lot more instant updates about free online courses. IBM is offering free certificate courses and also professional certificate courses. Let's see what are those. Here in Coursera, IBM is offering all those professional certificate courses as well as many free courses. This offer is valid only up to December 31st, 2020. That is until this year. The first one is Introduction to Data Science, IBM AI Enterprise Workflow, IBM AI Foundations for Business, and Advanced Data Science with IBM AI Foundations for Everyone, Applied Data Science, IBM AI Engineering, IBM Data Science. All these are specializations. Inside these, you will be having courses. For every specialization, you may have three courses, or six courses, or nine courses. It depends on various specializations. Let us see one specialization, Introduction to Data Science. In this specialization, you can see there under courses. If you go to normal course, in that place that will be syllabus, but here it is a specialization. So you can see the courses: course 1, course 2, course 3, course 4. So there are 4 courses to get this certificate. You need to complete all these 4 courses. You will get a certificate for each course, as well as when you complete all these 4 courses, you will get a certificate for Introduction to Data Science Specialization certificate. Let's see another one, IBM Applied IBM AI Engineering. Let's say IBM Data Science. This one has specifically 9 courses in total. Let's see what are those 9 courses. Some of the courses might repeat. See here again. In these 9 courses also, you can see the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 courses which you need to complete to get this IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Don't worry, some of these courses will repeat as all of them are integrated. So let us enroll in one. Click on that enroll button. See here, your promotion will be applied at the checkout. Also, you have to subscribe. This subscription is free for only 1 month. That is your first month of learning. So you have to click on the subscribe button. Once you click on subscribe button, you'll be coming to this page. You can see here IBM Data Science Professional Certificate by IBM, and you can see that the subscription first month free and the total is 0. Promotion applied. But you have to give your card details. You have to give your name, card number, expiry date, and CVV and country. You have to give all these things and continue. Don't click on start free trial. If you click on free trial, you may not get a certificate. Give the card details and subscribe to it. You have to cancel this subscription after 1 month. You can see there your card will be automatically charged after the promotion period, that is after 1 month from when you apply. Your card won't be charged if you cancel your subscription via my purchases before the promotion period. We can't issue refunds once your card is charged. That is, you need to cancel the subscription before 1 month. Like if you enroll in June 16, cancel your subscription, do what are all courses you can do before July 16 or 15, and cancel the subscription, or else your card will be charged and they won't give the refund. And you can cancel the subscription under the my purchases. You can see your name at the right top corner. Under your name you can see my purchases. Go there and unsubscribe for a course which you enrolled, and you won't be charged. You'll get everything for free. Remember, this offer is valid for only 1 month. I'm again remembering you, don't click on start free trial. Give your card details, subscribe to a particular course, and cancel it before 1 month. We have given all the links in the description. Check it out. Like this video, drop a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.